Good afternoon again, Watauga. Today is Friday, May 29th, 2020, and it's time for my weekly update. As always, we'll go over the latest numbers from Tarrant County Public Health Department. We stand at 5,379 positive cases, 85 new cases today, 160 deaths with 2,220 recoveries. Hospital bed utilization for the COVID-19 patients remain at just under 4%. Watauga's numbers were up to 25 cases, 9 recoveries, and 1 death. So, where do we stand now just 2 weeks into Phase 2 of Reopen Texas? Well, it looks like things are really picking up for Watauga. There's more traffic on the roads, more cars in the parking lots at our local retail businesses and our restaurants, and that is a really great thing. All of our businesses have suffered greatly throughout this pandemic, so please, let's eat and shop Watauga as much as possible, and let's help them get back on their feet as quickly as possible. As for the city, we've lifted all the restrictions on the park amenities, trails, and walkways. The library continues with their curbside service. Our animal shelter is open and in need of adoptive parents. We have 17 dogs and 2 cats looking for a new home and that special family. So remember, these animals, they deserve a second chance too. Our rec center is open for workouts by appointment only with senior hours from 6 to 9 a.m. One Monday, we will finally reopen the gymnasium. It will be by appointment only with 4 persons per side and limited to 1 hour. So as you can see, we are moving closer to normalcy, but we're still not out of the woods yet. So keep your guard up. Continue to follow the newest guidelines from the CDC and local officials. Hygiene, masks, and social distancing are still the key. And as I said over and over, social distancing is the single most important thing that you can do. There have been several incidents across the country where one person has infected many. And after all we've been through, I don't want to take even one step backwards, and I'm sure you don't either. So be considerate and think of others, and remember, not everybody is as indestructible as you think you are. I also want to mention that the citizens of Watauga now have another option for lower electricity rates. It's called Texas Power Switch. City Council gave its approval earlier this month to move forward with this option for our residents. The program is free for Watauga citizens and is no cost to the city. More detailed information is available at the city website. I again want to briefly mention bulk pickup. As I stated last week, tonnage for April 2020 was 110 tons more than April of 2019. Tonnage for May of 2020 came in at 71 tons over last year. That's just the facts. Look for another one of my virtual town hall meetings soon and an in-chamber town hall in the not too distant future. Also, we have a regular city council meeting scheduled for June 8th at 6:30 p.m. Come early, as I hear there'll be a crowd, and social distancing requirements limit seating to approximately 35 persons. And of course, masks are required. In closing, I want to thank everybody again for their support throughout this pandemic. And remember your family, friends, and neighbors. It's why Watauga is a great place to live. Thank you and have a good weekend.